Dailydrivenexotics finally buys their V12 supercar. The Stradman also buys another supercar. And Alex Choi tries to kill vehicle virgins. All of this and more on today's episode of Sinclair News. Hello and welcome back everybody to another episode of Sinclair News, and welcome if this is your first time. I'm your host, AJ, Sinclair Photos, and today we got a good one for you guys. But before we hop into the news, I just wanted to remind you guys, we are doing the $100 giveaway at 20,000 subscribers, and ladies and gentlemen, we are closer than ever, coming in over 18,980 strong, I believe, right now. So I believe if you guys are subscribers, just keep watching the video. But if you're new, hit that subscribe button and we'll try to get to 19,000 off of this video. So I'm trusting you. Hey, you don't click away. Don't click that button. Don't click away. Trust me, this is a good one. On to the first story. Our first story comes from Dailydrivenexotics. My God, this already feels like a Life of Apollos video, but it's the supercar community news, and I am a news reporter. So let's talk about it. We got Dailydrivenexotics coming in with their V12 supercar finally. The video they posted was kind of a troll though. They posted 3 cars in the thumbnail. I was hoping they'd get 3, or at least the one in the middle if you watch what it was, but they ended up going with the Ferrari F12 Berlinetta. I was hoping they'd go for an Aventador. I feel like that's more like, I don't know, YouTuber car, I want to say, but I can imagine that things are gonna do to this F12 right off the bat. It's one of the loudest cars straight piped on the market right now, and it's one of the best sounding straight pipe cars on the market right now. But I feel like if they went with an Aventador, they'd get more, I guess, more Lamborghini content that they love so much, getting pulled over in Beverly Hills, all that stuff. So, I mean, I would have liked to see the Aventador, but the F12 is cool. At least they didn't go with the old school Ferrari. But, I mean, what do you think about it? Do you think that they're going to have a lot of cool video ideas? What wrap do you think they're going to have on it? Yeah, leave some comments in the comment section below. I want to know what you guys think. On to the second story. So our second story comes from the Stradman off Instagram of all places. He posted this picture yesterday afternoon of all 3 of his purple cars all sitting together, and the caption was what got me. And obviously Life of Apollos too, as you can see by his little faces down there in the comment section. The Stradman has bought another supercar, confirmed, and he's gonna wrap it purple. So I mean, what do you guys think it is? I don't think this is the Mercy yet, and I don't think this is the Ford GT, but I could be wrong. He just bought that Ferrari race car. So let's see, if I could guess one thing that he's been talking about, I'm gonna say it's a Porsche. I'm gonna say it's like a GT3 or like a GT4 or something like that. I just have a feeling. I'm calling it here. What time is it? 11:33 a.m. Houston, Texas on November the 30th. I'm calling it is gonna be a purple Porsche. We'll see what happens though. If I'm right, I'll be happy, but if I'm wrong, that's what happens, man. You take a guess, you take a loss. But what car do you think it is? Leave a comment in the comment section below. And are you excited to see another supercar? He's running out of spaces to park this thing. I'm sure the Burlacker is pissed. Just kidding. But very exciting to see his new supercar. On to the third story. Our third story today comes from Alex Choi and Vehicle Virgins. If you saw, they had a whole big YouTuber gathering, which I was expecting to happen, called Race Wars the past weekend, I think it was. And it was like Edmund Mondi, all the Gutter Snake, the AGX guys, Alex Choi, Vehicle Virgins, and I want to say a couple more. Don't know off the top of my head. I watched, oh, Houston Crosta was there too. Yes, and they were all racing, doing lap times in all their supercars. Edmund brought out the Huracan Evo, the GTX, whatever it's called, his new Lamborghini race car. Parker brought out the 600 LT, and there was a lot of other awesome cars there. West Bank, all that stuff in it. 720, super cool cars. I'd go check out the video just for the cars. But at the end of the video, we get to see this clip of Parker riding on the back of Alex Choi's little go-kart wagon thing, and I guess he tried to kill him or something because he flipped it over and hurt our boy Parker. Poor Cornelian scene is down, man. He had this picture of him on the ground with the paramedics with his Balenciagas ripped right off his little feet there. Which, I mean, I hope he's okay. At the end of the video, he said it's not broken, just severely sprained, I believe. So we're throwing up prayers to you, Parker. I believe you're gonna be okay. If you need any hugs and kisses, you got me, man. Just leave a comment. So, what do you think? Is Alex Choi in the wrong? I thought it was a pretty douchey move. Unless he was the one filming, he was not anywhere to be found the whole rest of the video. When Parker was down on the ground, he kind of just hurt him and left him there. So that's why I don't like the kid. Unless he was filming, that's a pretty messed up move, dude. This shows his character on and off camera is totally different. But let me know what you guys think, once again, about all these stories today. Are you excited with Dailydrivenexotics' new F12? Do you wish it would have been something different? What do you think Stradman's new supercar is? And what do you think about Parker's little injury we got going on? Throw a prayer up for Parker. Throw me some prayer hands in the comment section below. And thank you very much for watching, guys. I really do appreciate all the time you spend with me. I know you get to be spending it somewhere else, but you're here with me on Sinclair News. So thank you guys so much, so much, so much. If you're new, please, please, please subscribe. We are almost at 19,000 and we need you in the Sinclair Photos army to help us get through this. So one step closer to 20,000 subscribers if you hit that subscribe button and $100. And always remember, watch the best and skip the rest, ladies and gentlemen. If you like the video, please smash that like button, subscribe. If you're new to the channel, I'll see you in the next video.